So here's what we're going to be planting today in the greenhouse. Stick around. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hey, if it's your first time here, please get on and subscribe to the channel. Ring the notification bell so you get all my latest updates and videos. So what I want to do is start a video series on how much food I can raise in this greenhouse. This isn't a big greenhouse. I've talked about it in other videos. I have about $500 invested in this greenhouse. So I want to see this year how much food can be raised inside this greenhouse. I've got onions in right now. I've got beets. I'm going to put some carrots in. I have lettuce growing in here. I've got some other stuff that I want to put in here too. So I want to see, as the summer progresses, how much food I can raise inside this greenhouse. So come back and stick around. We're going to be doing some planting today, and stay tuned. Today we're going to be doing some more planting in the greenhouse. That's where I'm at right now. It's about 50 degrees outside today. In here it's about 75 right now. So if you haven't looked at some of my other videos, I did some planting yesterday, and we're going to be planting some stuff today. So I gave you a little brief look. What I'm going to be planting, a couple things for my wife. She really likes flowers, and we typically just buy them from a greenhouse local here or something. But I decided this year I'm going to kind of surprise her. She doesn't come out here too much. This is kind of my thing. And I'm going to try to surprise her and plant a couple things that she likes. So I picked up some gladiolas yesterday. She really likes those, and I put those in the ground. Also today we're going to be putting in some bachelor buttons and some cosmos. These are really, I found, to be very easy to grow. I've never tried these bachelor buttons before. And also, vegetable wise, for food production, we're going to be putting in some carrots. Now I'm going to be putting them in these produce tubs again that I've spoke about in other videos. I got these free, or nearly free, at an auction. They were $1 a piece. They're really nice plastic containers. They already have the holes in the bottom of them, so they work out great for planting stuff. So what I got right now, I've got my compost that I made myself. I'm going to go ahead and fill up these baskets with those. So what I'm going to start with are these carrots here. And you can see what they are. They're from Johnny's Select Seeds, as you can see. And first time growing these. Now these are, and the reason why I'm trying to do these in here is these aren't supposed to be a very long carrot. They're kind of short and fat. So I want to try to start them in here. As I've talked about in other videos, I don't have much success with this small stuff out in the garden. For one reason or another, either time gets to be a problem and I don't keep it weeded well, or some wayward animals come along and decide they want it more than I do. So I'm going to try planting them in here, and that's why I went with this variety here. So we're going to see how they work. And once I've covered in the ground, I just want to go back over and just lightly press the soil down so that the seeds get good soil contact. Now this soil is pretty damp right now, so I'm going to water it later. But right now I'm just gonna leave it be. So a few hours from now I'll be out here again, taking care of the other stuff, and I will get it watered. Now, I know I said before that the flowers were just kind of an ornamental thing, and you know, the wife likes them and I like them too. They make the farmyard look nice. But you know, the flowers attract bees, and bees they're our pollinators. You know, they're the ones who do the work for us in the garden to go around and pollinate all these plants. So it's not a bad thing to have the flowers around. So when I said that, you know, it's not like we're not going to eat these, but the bees are going to come and they're going to get their food from the flowers, and in turn they're going to leave us making food for us. So you know, it's a good thing to have a few flowers around. It attracts the bees, it keeps the pollinators, you know, in the garden. So we always plant flowers, we always have flowers around in the summertime. So yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and put these cosmos in. I have planted these in the past. And a little trick, which I didn't do on the other one. If you don't have plant markers, open up the bottom of the package, and then whenever you're done, you know, you can actually turn this around and you can like stick it in the tray somewhere, and that way you'll have a free marker. So you don't get there. I think I got them all out. There's what I got for 50 cents in Cosmos. Alright guys, so that's what I got for you today. Just some planting in the greenhouse. So hey guys, I hope that you liked today's video. If you did, please go down and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and like the video. Until I see all of you again, I want to say God bless and have a great day.